What is metallic epoxy bathroom? Let's find out. Metallic epoxy bathroom is a hassle-free method to actually give your toilet a refreshing new look without the need to hack. So the good news is that we can actually get your floors and your walls done for you as well. So what is the difference between metallic epoxy bathroom and traditional tile bathrooms like this? The most distinct difference that you will see with metallic epoxy is the absence of grout lines. So it will make the whole toilet look and feel cleaner. But with tiles, this is what you're going to get. So with tiled bathrooms, this is what you will actually have. So all these grout lines will actually start to get stained, will start to actually be defective over time, and even cracks on the tiles will start to appear. So this is a problem. So that's the main difference that you will actually notice as well.
The other obvious difference would be the variety of colors and designs you're able to customize on your own to match the overall renovation concept you are going for.
We have heard so many complaints from homeowners about their dirty grout lines, and no matter how hard they scrub, they can't get rid of those stains. Right? So some of them even used harsh chemicals in hopes of getting rid of those stains, but instead leaving a trail of chemical stains behind.
Having lived with their old and outdated 10 to 20-year-old tiles but stuck in the dilemma whether or not to change it as it requires so much hacking works,
the best solution with metallic epoxy. When it comes to design, most people would think this is the hardest to plan out because they are always finding the correct design. But what we would say is there's no correct design, but only the design to your liking. So feel free to let your ideas run wild, and we will find the right design for you together with our skilled artists.
Anti-slip, which is what we would recommend for wet areas like bathroom. So do not worry about it being slippery even with water. Our anti-slip has a lot of traction, but it is not too rough where it hurts your feet as our grids are rounded. Not forgetting that it helps with any bathroom facing waterproofing issues and reinforces the existing protection as well.
Hey, to sum it all up, the reason why so many others has adopted metallic epoxy are for these few reasons. It is easy to clean and maintain, looks amazing without grout lines, stain-proof without the fear of chemical stains, and most importantly, a complete modernized transformation of your bathroom without hacking.